Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Workforce WF7840. I want to show you how to install ink cartridge. This is ink cartridge 405 black. So switch the printer on from this button. Once you switch the printer on, then you select language. Then select country and region. Daylight saving time on. Date format. Then you type the date. Time format. Select OK. Then select paper size. Select OK. Casket 1, plain paper. Then select OK. Start fax setting. Going to select close. Fax is not set up yet. Remind me later. No. So it will show you the printer screen. Now we want to replace black ink cartridge. It's showing us ink low, BK, black. To replace the ink, go to the settings, select settings, select maintenance, scroll down to select ink cartridges replacement, select on it. Replace the ink cartridges, select start. Lift up the ink access door, then wait. So the ink holder will move and position itself. If you look from the screen, you will see BK405 is empty. You can see cyan, magenta, and yellow. They are still available, but BK is empty. So lift this up, remove the black. So this is the black ink cartridge. This one is empty. So we're going to replace it. So you need to pull off this air vent. This contact part need to go inside. Then pull it down. Then close the cover. Pull it down. Then close the cover. Then close the printer. Then wait. Please wait. Do not turn the power off until initialization is complete. replacement is complete, then select OK. So this is how to replace ink cartridges. Thank you very much indeed.